DeepSeek version 3. This is an amazing breakthrough that shouldn't go unnoticed. DeepSeek did 4 things that led them to achieve a model that was trained at a fraction, and this is an understatement, a fraction of the cost to train models like 4.0 and Sonnet 3.5. It cost them a total of $5.5 million. And while we don't know the actual figure for training those closed source models, it is estimated to be 100 to a 200 or even more $1 million to train such models. How did DeepSeek version 3 train their model at $5.5 million and achieve a remarkable result against all benchmarks, where in certain cases they beat most open source model, if not all, but definitely they beat 4.0 and Sonnet 3.5 in many of them? Well, essentially they've done that through deploying 4 strategies. The first one, they've used really good quality training data. The second one, they deployed the auxiliary loss-free load balancing, which uses the bias to do the routing at the mixture of experts rather than just the loss function. And what that did, it kept the load balanced between experts without degradation or issues in the training. The third thing they did is multi-token prediction rather than the conventional transformer architecture, which is based on most models of predicting the next token. Actually, they did prediction for more tokens. And what they think that does, it actually gets the model to be smarter and trained better. And based on the results, it seems their bet was right. And the last one is that they utilized the FP8 mixed precision training. And this is basically that they put number representation using 8-bit rather than 16 or 32 in the calculations or mathematics, where it's less valuable to have 32-bit type of calculation, while they kept that when it comes to things like calculating the value of attention. And that kept the data load low, which achieved the results that they aimed for, to have a low cost, low computational requirement type of training. And one more thing they did, they leveraged the multi-head latent transformer architecture, which fundamentally compresses the keys and values for the transformer so it will handle that information better and it will avoid the data bottleneck. If you're interested in this and more, head to my YouTube channel where I actually drill through these concepts on the paper itself while covering other topics when it comes to automation and AI. Don't forget to subscribe.